everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Fritz on Fritz with my friend Snowman Dan and Rachel. We're here at one of our favorite hangout spots, BB Bridge Park in Douglas County on this nice Friday morning. Today we're going to taste test something that Rachel was telling me about, and I will pass it along to her. Looks good. Looks like a s'mores cookie.
Yeah, I got it at the Chelan Farmers Market, and it was, I can't remember. Do you remember?
Oh, the Moro.
Yeah.
Moro brand.
Moros.
Moros. That's
yeah,
it.
Moros.
Wow. And when Rachel contacted me last night, she said that her score at that time was a 10 out of 10. Does that still hold up today?
Yes. So far.
Now I'm going to give it the old try here. Ta-da! Hi, welcome back everyone. Oh, very delicious. Chewy, smooth. The chocolate just melts in your hand. Great,
and in your mouth.
And in the mouth too. Great crunch from the graham cracker crust. Perfect combination with the marshmallow, the chocolate, the dough, the cracker. A s'mores cookie. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them have been. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the Moro's s'mores cookie, I'm going to give it a 9.98. Very good. I think that's one of the highest scores I've given. How about you, Snowman Dan? That's Snowman Dan.
I would give it at least a 9, maybe more, but I'll give it at least a 9.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow. And full disclosure, Moro's is not a sponsor of this video. And Rachel just zoomed in on part of the cookie. They're full disclosure, they're not a sponsor of the video, and we had it cold. I'm curious to try it in the microwave. From the microwave, put it in there for maybe like 10 to 15 seconds just to get the marshmallow even gooier and the chocolate oozing out of the cookie dough. Or even to take the cookie itself and put it in between 2 graham crackers and make a cookie sandwich with that. Or even another layer of chocolate between the graham cracker and then re-microwave that. So it'd be a double cookie and s'mores. Wow. Well, thanks for the recommendation, Rachel. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm glad that the 3 of us could get together today.
Yeah.
Until next time, cookies. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Fun and safe weekend. The NCW fair is this weekend in Waterville. That's Snowman Dan.
Bye.
Bye.